We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN, MULLEN Automotive Inc. And I left the drawings that I did yesterday if things were looking strong and inflows crossed over. We're going to break it all down in today's video. But here we are with MULLEN stock trying to push back up into the rip area of bright green bars. And in today's volatility, it wasn't the only stock trying to push up higher. The overall market did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 11:55 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision. And call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up on the screen. Within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are at MULLEN stock doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars, and we're gonna break it all down what's going on with the inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision. And call options went up 100% plus within minutes. And as you see, they're popping up on the screen within the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, the link is down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive, and as we see it here on the 30-minute, this is how I ended the video. If those inflows and bull indicators popped up and there was some strength, but we're going to look at it together here, but you could see the full transition from red bars to bright green after doing a full transition from bright green to red bars. Now, if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips and the rips to the dips. And also we use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, MULLEN Automotive Inc. And as you see it here, under that bull indicator, full strength, doing that staircase effect I stated. If those inflows stayed above the midpoint with strength on the 30-minute and also here on the 15-minute, you could see that strength stayed above the midpoint and the strength to the upside continued. But we need to talk about the key levels that we need to watch today and also going into tomorrow. Now, let's go ahead and look at this together, and we're going to also zoom out to the 1 hour, which is critical here with the inflows and bull and bear indicators. So one of the first things I would watch here is on the 30-minute, we got this bear indicator to get canceled. We have a bull indicator that popped up here at 37 cents and it's hit highs here of 41 cents, but it continues to have trouble getting above that 40-cent area where that bear indicator popped up at 42, brought it down. Those outflows had crossed, and also it was trying to find support and it brought it down to newer lows, hitting the lows there of 33 to 34 cents on the next day on January 9th. Now, we're back up here. We've canceled it. We got a bull indicator. Inflows are above the midpoint at 0.02, but we want to see this try to go higher, right? It's hit highs up here of 0.04 and even has gone as high as 0.10 and 0.07. So something to not overlook and watch. Not guaranteed to hit those highs, but something I would watch for if it could continue here on the 30-minute after getting this bull indicator. Now, let's also look here within the volatility because this is critical. The volatility on the 15-minute showed us a bull indicator since way back here on the 9th. It was around 35 cents, and it's done a full transition now from the dip area of wire fried borders after this consolidation finally broke itself out back above 40, and we hit a rip area, guys. And this is crucial because these inflow versus outflows are very close to the midpoint and they're red. If this crosses back down, it could quickly start to pull things back down on the 15-minute, and that can eventually start to reflect onto larger time frames. So I'm going to be watching that very closely. And something else I would watch is if these inflows could turn back around to green and pull away from the midpoint to actually continue the strength of this bull indicator and retest newer highs and new resistance levels. Now, within the volatility here, as I'm doing this video live, it has not confirmed yet. This actually has 8 more minutes to go for this 15-minute bar to confirm and close, but it's actually looking like outflows want to cross over. Yet the chart still hasn't completely collapsed, but something to not overlook, guys. I would watch that very carefully. It could be volatility as well, and it could try to bring itself back up, but it could be the beginning step of canceling out that bull indicator if it becomes more significant. Now, on the 30-minute, we're still above the midpoint here. I'll be watching that very carefully, and the staircase effect is still forming. And what are the key levels I would watch in this volatility, right? Especially going into tomorrow. Well, the first thing is we want these inflows to stay above the midpoint here on the 30-minute, and also the 1 hour has been crucial because it's still below the midpoint, but we're seeing this strength come back up. It's still under a bear indicator here at around 40 cent area from the 6, and this definitely needs to get canceled if this strength wants to be confirmed with any possible strength of bulls actually taking over. If not, it could be volatility and the bears are just setting up to try to bring it right back down. Now, the inflows, I would like to see this actually start getting closer to the midpoint, even if it doesn't cross it. Now, if it could cross it, that would be more significant because that strength could start to reflect into the chart here, guys. So this is crucial. Now, back to the 30-minute. The first support I would watch here is 38 cents. Below 38 cents comes back down to 35 cents, 36 cent area, and then below that is 30 cents. Now, to the upside, if these outflows do not cross back down or even start to pull back and this bull indicator continues to hold true and these inflows continue to pick up here, so that strength could reflect into the chart and continue the staircase effect, guys, as I've been calling it and also pointing out, this is crucial. The first resistance above this level is 45 cents, guys. 40 cents has been attained. We want to stay up here and bounce off of it. And the next one is back up here towards 45 cents. And above that is 48 cents. And then comes 50 cent area. 50 cents gets broken through. Then we could start talking about newer levels. And also, I would watch here how these inflows react to the upside and pull away from the midpoint and how significant the moves could be. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And let's make some money.